When you are home alone, do you hear the noise of walking, various footsteps in another room? Do you hear the faint whispers or the shouts of your name? What are those noises? Where do they come from? You may think they are your imagination acting up, but I assure you, they are not. Chills do not run up your spine when an opossum runs across your grave. No. You get chills when your instincts tell you that you aren't alone. When the thing in the back of your mind simply brings itself forward. You may run, but you cannot escape. Fear is a feeling you may not get away from. When you feel sad or upset, watching a movie or listening to music will drown out that emotion. Not fear, you see. If you are afraid, there is no escape until you can prove to your brain that you are truly alone. However, what if you just cannot prove that you are alone? What if those footsteps and voices just get worse as your fears rise? You know you can't shake it off. There is nothing to take your mind off of it. This reality in which we live is an unforgiving hole of despair and depression. We can startle ourselves into a fantasy of emotion. But how long does that really last? If you think about it, we will all die. But what causes death? Does your own fear cause death? What about the chain letter you never reposted in junior high school? We know nothing of death, but we know fear. Back to fear. What are you afraid of? Are you afraid of that ghost you saw last year? Or maybe a disembodied calling of your name? Maybe even the footsteps you have heard when you are home alone. Do you hear the noise?